What's up guys, welcome back to another video, you see me? So if you're new here to the channel, my name is Rainer Scott. I do videos on my 2015 BMW 428i, you see me? So in today's video, we're gonna be installing a VRSF Catless downpipe, you see me? So with that said, we'll just get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do, I remove the engine cover, you see me? And then this also I got there, and you remove that. And then you gonna have two sensor, O2 sensor, as you can see, one right here and one right here, right? It's going in a bracket, which is, this is the bracket. You're going to remove it from the bracket, and then in order to remove the sensor, you're going to pull back the white clip, and you're going to hear the click. And you're going to push down to the engine, to the ground on it, and pull it back at the same time. Right? You do that for the other sensor as well. You pull it back, you hear the click, push it down to the ground, and pull it back. Alright. So, in order for you know where to connect it back, them color coded. So as you can see, one is black and one is yellow. As you can see on the connection, one is black, the other one is yellow. You see me?
This is a long tube socket you push on the 14. So you're going to eventually pull this one first. So, I want to pull. Then you're going to plan to pull another one on this side again, which is a 14, same tube socket, pull it. Yeah, it's a bracket, and then you go back for one more again, which is further up.
Alright, so I really wanted to show you guys how to put on the downpipe and how you take out the downpipe and whatever. But because this is the first time, well, this is the first time I'm modifying a car. So it's a learning process for me. So it was the first time I was taking out the downpipe, and we ran into some difficulties. You see me? So unfortunately we did not get to show you guys on camera how to take out the downpipe. You see me? But you can learn a lot more about the downpipe from this video. You see me? Alright, so we are using a 7/8 spanner to take out the sensor off of the OEM downpipe.
Come on, come on.
Let me tell you something here, brother. You have to go there. Well done. Yes. Well, the day I know, you could have just take off this here right now. This, right now.
May I look funny?
I know, so without this, funny.
I wonder.
I'll give you a pressure upon it.
No, you know, I wonder. I wonder without the bracket, how we could have look up underneath it.
You're not going to really look no way, but the bracket, if you take off some pressure off of yourself.
And as I say, maybe we don't need the bracket back again.
No, I say in future, if you want to go in the car, you see, you can't move.
Yeah.
It don't put no pressure upon yourself. If this can't, if yourself can't move, it puts pressure upon the neck. You understand?
No, put tighten this.
But we can put up back this.
And you can put up back this and see what I want. Come with it.
Tighten it. Go back now.
Yeah, so it's ready for going now. You're supposed to give him what he wants and what he wants for years. You know what I say?
Yeah, drama man, you know. Yes, I'm gonna recommend getting a new clamp because you don't want to put this old clamp back on it, you see me?
What if you get some bounce it?
Alright, so successfully install on the downpipe, you see me? So, now I'm going to some exhaust clips right now, you see me? Going to the first start. Since now, put on the downpipe. Alright, so this video going to be split up in a lot of days because I'm trying to get as much exhaust clips as possible for you guys so you can know exactly how it sounds. Comfort, sport automatic transmission, manual, when I'm cruising, when I'm going, as much clips as possible, you see me? Alright, so when I was putting on the exhaust, I messed up. By right, you know that you're not supposed to touch the carbon fiber. As you can see on this side, it's touching. And on this side, all of the space is there. So I messed up when I was putting on the downpipe. And on this side, it's more up, touching the carbon fiber now. And you know the heat will burn off the carbon fiber, you see me? So, but the tip's not supposed to be touching the carbon fiber, so if we'll get that fixed up right now. Anytime I start the car, after I put on the downpipe, it's like I get a rattling from like where the back door is. You hear that? Oh, somewhere from right here. Alright, yeah, so as you can see in the video, the cause of the rattling is like the downpipe, as you can see on the video, is not right into the exhaust. So because the tip of the downpipe was on the exhaust, it was causing the rattling underneath. So what we did, we pushed the exhaust down just a little bit more onto the downpipe, and once we push the exhaust a little bit more down onto the downpipe, then it stopped the rattling. So that was the reason why the car was rattling anytime I was starting the car, because the downpipe wasn't onto the exhaust properly, you see me? Alright, so a review about the downpipe, you see me? So first thing, rating the downpipe out of 10. Definitely a 10 out of 10. You see me? I'd recommend get a Catless downpipe. I don't really know about the other one. I'm hearing about the high flow cat or something like that. That said that's a really good downpipe as well. But for me, I went to the Catless downpipe and definitely a 10 out of 10 recommend. Alright, so far the car is definitely louder. You see me? So if you don't want a loud car, I don't think that the Catless downpipe is the way to go for you. You see me? And then the other thing now would be the car is much faster, because as you can see, the OEM downpipe, it has a catalytic converter inside of it. You see me? So I'm guessing when the air comes from the turbo and goes through the downpipe, because of the catalytic converter, it blocks the air from going to the exhaust. Now that you have a Catless downpipe that doesn't have a catalytic converter in the middle, when the air comes from the turbo, it goes straight through the downpipe and comes back through the exhaust and comes back through the tip. So it gives you that free flow. You see me? Correct me if I'm wrong, but it gives you that free flow. So yeah, it increases the car's performance significantly. You see me? You can definitely feel the difference, hear the difference. from driving inside of the car, you see me? Alright, so another thing that I experienced, normally I would have drive in sport mode with the sport automatic transmission. I would have going manual, so I changed my gears with my paddle shifter. So I noticed that when I change in my gears, it's much more aggressive. It's like you feel that punch, you see me? You really feel that punch. So I really like the downpipe, like really like the downpipe. 10 out of 10, you see me? And I'm glad that this was the first performance mod that I went with. It's when you combine a muffler delete and a Catless downpipe together, it's just unbelievable. Just unbelievable. You see me? So I would recommend a Catless downpipe. Well, yeah, really recommend, because I never try a high flow cat before and the other downpipes, so I don't really know about them, but I know that the Catless downpipe is a very good downpipe. May I say, as you know, YouTube learn from YouTubers, right? So I watch a lot of videos and hear other people talking about Catless downpipe, and I'm not saying that the Catless downpipe is the best downpipe, but I'm saying I know that based on the videos that I watched, most people go with Catless downpipe. So I went to the Catless downpipe and I 100% don't regret it. In the future, and other cars, I would love to like own a high flow cat or know somebody that has a high flow cat on their car, so I could like experience or feel how the high flow cat stay. You see me? But the Catless downpipe is definitely a 10 out of 10 downpipe. You see me? So if you're thinking about getting a Catless downpipe from Raynar Performance, check it. It's a very good downpipe. You won't regret it. And that's it for the review. You see me? Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel. You see me? So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.